Explorers, Stephanie here with the Explorers Club. So today for our activity, we are going to do a magical forest activity. So to prepare for this activity, we need some ribbon of different colors, different widths, patterns, whatever you want, as well as a preferably glass jar or a bottle. Even a plastic bottle like a water bottle will work great as well. So for this, in preparation to go out, we need to cut our ribbon into different sizes. So I've got them here. This is my jar. I got a nice little mason jar. Put my ribbons aside just so that I could keep track of them. So different size ribbons, cut into small pieces, long, small, whatever you like, different colors as well. And then, so we got to make sure we have our ribbon ready and our jar. So our jar, we can also let our little ones paint, color, put stickers on our jar, because that will be for our magic potion. And we will also need some water. So I had a water bottle lying around ready for recycling, so I just filled it up with some water. And so also we need to choose a forest or a trail or somewhere where there's, trees and woods, where we can go and explore to have our magic forest day. So pick somewhere that you would like to do. If you've got a little patch of woods in the backyard, if you want to go for a walk on a trail, that works perfect. So upon arrival to your destination or coming out to the yard, the first thing we need to do is look for a stick. So it doesn't have to be too long and not too big, but let the kids explore and find their stick for their magic wand. So I'm going to go out and see if I can find one. I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. I have my magic wand stick. So now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate our magic wand with our ribbon. So we'll take our ribbon out and add as many of the ribbons as you would like. And some little ones might need a little bit of help, so it just, show them the first time and go from there. So just tying a knot or a bow onto our stick. Basically like that, and then you can have more along the stick, and this is their magic wand for the day. So with this magic wand, they can do anything that their imagination creates. They can turn you into a frog, they can grant wishes, they can make a stream, whatever they please. So it's just letting their imagination run wild, and just giving them a couple tools to do it with. So once your magic wand is made, we can start exploring in the forest. And as we're exploring, we can also find different things to put in our magic potion. So for example, we can put leaves, we can put grass, anything, sand, rocks, anything that the little ones want to put in their jar. So that's why it's kind of fun to have a larger mouth of your lid. So if you have a water bottle, it might be a little bit harder to put things in, but that's okay. Do your best. And so then have them collect items and put it in their jar. Once they're done, you can add some water to it. And then once the water is added, have them give it a little shake, jump up and down, whatever works to activate their magic potion. And then they can use this magic potion all day, whether they pretend to put things on or physically do it themselves. That's fine as well. It's all a day of imagination, creativity, and just having lots of fun exploring in the forest. So again, whatever they decide to do with their magic potion is great, and just to have fun. So don't be shy to send me pictures of your different wands, your potions, and your multiple adventures with our magical forest activity. I hope that you all have lots of fun, and we'll see you all again next time for our next adventure. Bye, explorers!